Instructions for teachers. Dear teachers, as you know that we are doing STEAM education, so there is a teacher's note. Do the exercises in the workbook on pages 7 to 10. And let's discuss these activities. So students are little explorers. Let them blow bubbles and ask the learners to observe their shape and how they move in the air, because bubbles starts with B. Then we are little innovators. Use a tablet or phone to show the learners how butterfly flaps its wings. So butterfly starts with B and it flaps its wings. Little builders, provide the learners with building blocks and help them build a bus. So blocks and bus both are friends of letter B. Little designers, guide the learners to color the sketch of the butterfly. यहाँ पे ये देखें, we have a butterfly over here. Let them design it. Then little thinkers, ask the learners to count the number of books in their bags.